Cholestyramine, also known as Questran Light 4-gram oral powder, is a medication that is used in combination with a healthy diet to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Lowering cholesterol can help reduce the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Along with a proper diet, other lifestyle changes such as regular exercise, weight loss, and quitting smoking can also help improve the effectiveness of this medication. This medication can also be used to relieve itching in people with excess bile acid due to certain liver or bile duct conditions. Cholestyramine works as a bile acid binding resin, removing bile acid from the body. This, in turn, prompts the liver to produce more bile acid using the cholesterol in the blood, thus lowering overall cholesterol levels. It is important to consult with your doctor for more details on how to use this medication effectively. The recommended dosage and optimal timing for taking Questran Light 4-gram oral powder can vary depending on individual circumstances, so it's important to follow your doctor's guidance. When taking Questran Light 4-gram oral powder, follow your doctor's instructions and take it 1 to 2 times a day. The medication comes in a powder form and can be taken with water, milk, or fruit juice. Make sure to mix the powder in at least 2 to 6 ounces of liquid and drink it right away. You can also mix it with watery soups, applesauce, or pulpy fruit. Do not keep the mixture in your mouth for too long, as it can damage your teeth. The dosage of this medication depends on your medical condition and how you respond to treatment. Your doctor may start you on a low dose and gradually increase it to reduce the risk of side effects. It may take several weeks before you feel the full benefit of the medication. Cholestyramine, the active ingredient in Questran Light, may affect the absorption of other medications. Take your other medications at least 1 hour before or 4 to 6 hours after taking Questran Light. Make sure to take this medication regularly at the same time each day in order to get the most benefit from it, even if you feel well. Most people with high cholesterol do not feel sick. Some common side effects of Questran Light 4-gram oral powder include constipation, stomach/abdominal pain, gas, nausea, and vomiting. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. To prevent constipation, it's recommended to increase dietary fiber intake, stay hydrated, and engage in regular physical activity. In some cases, a laxative may also be necessary, so it's best to seek advice from your pharmacist on the most suitable type of laxative for you. It's important to note that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's crucial to notify your doctor immediately if you experience severe stomach/abdominal pain, unusual bleeding/bruising, rapid breathing, or confusion. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical assistance right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Questran Light 4-gram oral powder, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may include inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. It's important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a history of constipation, hemorrhoids, or kidney disease. Some products containing Questran Light may contain sugar or aspartame, so if you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances in your diet, be cautious and consult your doctor or pharmacist. Because Questran Light can interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients, your doctor may recommend taking a multivitamin supplement. It's important to consult your doctor for more information on this. If you are an older adult, you may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, particularly constipation. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when necessary as it may affect the absorption of certain nutrients. It's crucial to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this medication. This medication is unlikely to pass into breast milk, but it may affect the absorption of certain nutrients. It's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding if you are taking Questran Light. Now, let's talk about how Questran Light 4-gram oral powder interacts with other medications. It's important to be aware that drug interactions may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Remember, this list doesn't contain all possible drug interactions. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. And of course, don't start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Questran Light 4-gram oral powder include blood thinners such as warfarin, mycophenolate, and raloxifene. Always be sure to discuss any potential interactions with your doctor or pharmacist before starting or stopping any medications. If you or someone you know has taken too much Questran Light 4-gram oral powder and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. Call 911 or your local poison control center for assistance. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe stomach or abdominal pain. It's important to take the proper dosage of Questran Light as prescribed by your healthcare provider to avoid any potential overdose. Remember to always follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember not to share this medication with others. While taking Questran Light 4-gram oral powder, it's important to have regular lab and/or medical tests done, such as blood cholesterol/triglyceride levels and vitamin levels. Make sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take extra to make up for the missed dose. It's important to store Questran Light 4-gram oral powder at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Sometimes, the color of the medication may vary, but this is normal and won't affect how the drug works. If you have any questions about storage, you can ask your pharmacist. Remember not to store the medication in the bathroom and keep it away from children and pets. When it comes to discarding the product, make sure not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it's expired or no longer needed, and you can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.